Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to verify your email in chess.com. All right, so let's begin with the video. To verify your email on chess.com, it's important to know that when you first create your account, chess.com automatically sends a verification activation link to your registered email address. By clicking on that link, your email gets verified and your account becomes fully activated. However, if you didn't receive the verification email, you can try an alternative method. Start by opening the chess.com app and signing in to your account. Once you're logged in, tap on the More option located at the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, scroll down and select Support. This will take you to the chess.com support page. On the support page, begin a conversation by typing your issue. You can search for topics related to email verification. If you don't find a helpful solution, tap on This did not help. This will open a chat window where you can directly contact support. In the chat, type a message like, "I want to verify my email address," and send it. The chess.com assistant will respond shortly with guidance. In most cases, they will explain that the verification email is sent during account creation and may guide you on resending it or changing your email if needed. If you still don't receive the email, contacting support through this method is the best available workaround, as manual verification isn't something you can complete on your own without their assistance. And that's it. So that's basically how you can verify your email in chess.com. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.